Apps that can generate daily money. In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. We've scoured the internet and uncovered 20 brand new apps that anyone can use regardless of their location to earn money right from their phone. The best part? These apps are absolutely free, requiring no previous experience. Some of these apps are so unique that they have flown under the radar, making them hidden gems in the realm of online money-making opportunities. And believe it or not, some individuals have even made hundreds of thousands of dollars using these apps. So get ready to embark on a journey through the exciting world of online income generation. Let's dive right in with the first app on our list, Pinata AI. This app caters to those who are currently renting a home or an apartment. Pinata AI allows you to collect credit, get paid, and even earn cash back on your rent. It's a fantastic way to reap rewards and save on everyday expenses. Available for both iOS and Android, Pinata AI is a high-quality app designed exclusively for renters. Next up, we have Toloka Earn Online, an app available on the Google Play Store. Toloka offers simple tasks such as updating information, typing out typos, labeling images, and moderating photos. By completing these straightforward tasks, you can earn money through PayPal, Payoneer, and other available payment options. While this app won't make you rich overnight, it provides a variety of options to start making money online. One of our personal favorites is cashstars.com. Unfortunately, as of now, they have temporarily closed their doors to new users. However, once they reopen, you'll have the opportunity to get paid for watching videos, browsing Google, retweeting, playing games, and much more. CashStars is known for being one of the highest-paying apps in the market. Although enrollment is currently closed, keep an eye out for future opportunities. Now, let's unveil an incredibly unique app on our list, panelstars.com. This app offers a different kind of social media engagement, allowing you to purchase Instagram followers and more. You'll notice that 1,000 followers cost approximately 38 cents. However, if you visit platforms like Bozoid, which receives hundreds of thousands of monthly visitors and has numerous customers daily, you'll find them selling 1,000 followers for only 13 cents. By leveraging this pricing difference, you can resell these services and make hundreds of dollars from the comfort of your phone. Coming in at number 5 is EasyBucks, an app that takes the concept of making money online and turns it into a gamified experience. With EasyBucks, you'll find a range of tasks to complete, including surveys, offers, and playing games. While it may not result in significant earnings on its own, combining multiple apps is key to unlocking substantial income potential. EasyBucks is perfect for filling your spare time, and its gamified approach adds an enjoyable twist to the money-making process. Next, we have an app that has the potential to generate a decent income, but it's exclusively for individuals with an existing online following. If you have around 5,000 to 10,000 followers, you can leverage this app to monetize your audience and make money online. By promoting various apps and receiving payment per install, you can earn up to $5 when somebody installs an app using your referral link. Imagine the possibilities. Whether your audience is interested in fitness, weight loss, or any other niche, you can promote your relevant apps and earn a substantial income. Just like Tim, who has earned close to $200,000 with his free app. You too can tap into this lucrative opportunity. Next is GoPinion. Discover an app designed specifically for survey enthusiasts. While surveys may not be everyone's cup of tea, GoPinion adds a unique twist. Instead of drowning in a sea of monotonous questions, you can complete surveys effortlessly in your spare time. Imagine turning those idle moments while waiting in line or lounging on your couch into a profitable venture. With GoPinion, you can earn a couple of dollars and make the most of your downtime. Now, Earn It, formerly known as Earny.com. Prepare to be amazed by the possibilities offered by Earn It. This app lets you win prizes and cash by simply shopping on Amazon. By linking your Amazon account, you unlock the potential to earn up to $4,000. Some lucky users have even made thousands of dollars through this fantastic platform. While it's not a guarantee, it's definitely worth a shot, especially if you love shopping and want to maximize your earnings. Next is Online Business Academy. This app isn't just about making money. It's a complete business education platform. Online Business Academy offers multiple ways to earn money online. You can list your own digital products or services, leveraging the platform's high traffic and professional sales pages. Additionally, you can become an affiliate and promote other products and services, boosting your income further. The platform also provides expert lessons across various industries, offering you the opportunity to expand your knowledge and grow your personal brand. The next is not unknown. Be My Eye. Get ready to use your smartphone camera to earn extra cash with Be My Eye. This remarkable app turns your camera into a money-making tool, offering short missions like scanning barcodes or capturing product images. The best part? You don't need a top-of-the-line camera. Be My Eye is more interested in collecting data than pixel-perfect shots. So, put your camera to work and start earning money with ease. Now, Multipolls. If you're seeking surveys with a twist, Multipolls is the perfect app for you. Say goodbye to boring questions and hello to engaging surveys that capture your interest. The best part is that this app offers high-paying services, meaning you won't be earning pocket change. With Multipolls, you can earn a couple of dollars for answering just a few questions. Plus, you can easily withdraw your earnings using PayPal or other available payment options. Next is YouGov, another survey app in the mix. YouGov is available on both Google Play Store and the App Store. While the surveys may not be the most exciting, they'll still provide an opportunity to earn money in your spare time. So why not turn those moments of idleness into profitable endeavors? With YouGov, your opinions matter, and you can earn some extra cash while sharing them. Adipause is the next for you. Here's another survey app that adds some excitement to the mix. Adipause offers a gamified experience, making money online feel like playing a game. Instead of tedious tasks, you'll find yourself immersed in an enjoyable environment where you can complete surveys and various other tasks to increase your earnings. By combining this app with others, your online income can quickly multiply. With Adipause, you can make the most of your spare time and see your earnings grow. Don't forget Street Bees. Step into the world of Street Bees, where making money online becomes a delightful and interactive experience. This app allows you to chat with others, answer questions, and complete surveys and tasks that are not only rewarding, but also fun. You may be amazed at how quickly you can pocket a couple of extra dollars while enjoying yourself. Now, Survey Party. Get ready for a survey app that feels more like a game than work. Survey Party turns the process of making money online into an engaging and entertaining experience. As you navigate through the app, it feels like you're playing a game rather than simply completing tasks. So while you have a blast, you'll also be earning money. It's a win-win. Next is Erica. Erica is here to show you that surveys can be lucrative. While it falls into the survey app category, Erica stands out by offering some of the highest-paying opportunities available. If you're looking to maximize your earnings by completing surveys, Erica is the perfect companion. For now, at least. Now, YouTube. Unlock the immense earning potential of the YouTube app and its companion, the YouTube Studio app. You may be surprised to learn that you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars each year with these apps. What's more astonishing is that you don't even have to show your face or record anything with a camera. By implementing effective strategies, you can build successful YouTube channels that generate substantial income through ad revenue alone. Discover the secrets to YouTube success and embark on a journey to financial freedom. Survey Pop is next for you. Prepare yourself for an explosion of fun and excitement with Survey Pop. This app rewards you for completing engaging and enjoyable tasks, whether it's watching videos, searching the web, or even playing video games. Survey Pop transforms the process of making money online into an adventure. Say goodbye to mundane tasks and hello to an app that makes earning money feel like a thrilling quest. Survey Spin can't be forgotten. Last but not least, we have Survey Spin. While it may be another survey app, it brings a playful twist to the table. With its gamified interface and a constant supply of daily surveys, you'll never run out of opportunities to earn. While individual payouts may not be astronomical, combining this app with others can quickly boost your overall earnings. So join the exciting world of Survey Spin and start making a significant amount of money online, all from the comfort of your own home and completely free. There you have it, the next generation of money-making apps that promise excitement, convenience, and the opportunity to fatten your wallet. Whether you're a survey enthusiast, a camera aficionado, or an aspiring online entrepreneur, these apps provide a variety of pathways to financial success. Unleash your inner money-making machine, explore these apps, and let your journey to online prosperity begin.